Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best ultrasonic cleaners for every cleaning need, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. VEVOR Ultrasonic Cleaner 2L30L. The VEVOR Ultrasonic Cleaner is a stainless steel powerhouse with a heated cleaning feature. Designed for durability, it caters to various cleaning needs, from small tools to large industrial parts. Advantages: robust stainless steel build, large capacity options, advanced heating and cleaning performance. Disadvantage: expensive for casual use. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Digital Heating Ultrasonic Cleaner 2L30L. Available in multiple sizes, this digital ultrasonic cleaner supports heating and has a 40 kHz cleaning frequency. It is ideal for household and professional use, including cleaning tools and mechanical parts. Advantages: wide range of tank capacities. Heating function enhances cleaning. Digital controls for precise settings. Disadvantage: bulky for smaller spaces. At number 3. Granbosonic Ultrasonic Cleaner 800ml/1L, offering easy operation with a sleek design. This ultrasonic cleaner delivers 35W 60W power for effective cleaning. Its 40 kHz frequency ensures deep cleaning of jewelry, glasses, and makeup tools. Advantages: modern and user-friendly design, adjustable power levels, ideal for personal use. Disadvantage: limited functionality for industrial cleaning. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. 800ml Household Ultrasonic Cleaner 60W. This 800ml stainless steel ultrasonic cleaner features 60W power and supports both 110V and 220V. It efficiently cleans jewelry, watches, and small household items with added degassing for improved cleaning performance. Advantages: durable stainless steel build, degas function for thorough cleaning, suitable for a variety of materials. Disadvantage: moderate tank capacity. At number 1. Xiaomi Ultrasonic Cleaner 500ml, compact and efficient. This ultrasonic cleaner is perfect for cleaning glasses, jewelry, and small items. Designed with a 500ml tank, it delivers powerful ultrasonic waves to clean hard-to-reach areas, making it an excellent choice for home use. Advantages: compact and lightweight design, energy-efficient operation, safe for delicate items. Disadvantage: limited capacity for larger items.